Well, here we are on the Jordanian-Israel border. We're still in Israel. This is a national park, the Beit She'an ruins. I want to show you what they have here, what it looked like. An overview back in the day. Pretty amazing. A little bit of history on it is written up here, but this is mentioned in the Bible. So it's significant to us as believers. You can read this if you'd like. In reading, it was an earthquake that destroyed the foundations. It was a place where Christianity spread. It was ruled by Muslims. Then the earthquake happened, and now all we have is the memories in the past of what they have here. It's amazing what these parks do. I pray this gives you a little more information about different parts of Israel. God bless you.